Every company, every product, and every piece of equipment has unique needs. When it comes to wire and cable requirements, nobody understands those needs better than the experts at Allied Wire and Cable. Our team has decades of experience designing custom cable that meets your needs exactly. When you specify a custom cable, you get to optimize the conductor, define electrical parameters and tolerances, and choose specialized insulation materials. You can designate the jacket color and print, and take advantage of other value-added services to end up with the ideal cable for your application.
People will come to me and they'll say, hey, this is the environment it's going to be in. We're going to be, it's 250 degrees. We need to be also flexible to minus 40 or whatever, minus 50. We need to have a camera cable in there. We need to have power. And then what you do from there is just kind of design, take the elements, put them together, and then figure out what kind of jacketing, what kind of shielding they may need. So they're going to be, are they worried about the crosstalk? Are they worried about EMI situations and stuff like that? You can start, take it from there.
We'll start with a conductor. Choose a material from widely used inexpensive aluminum and bare copper conductors to tin, nickel, or silver-plated copper, or even high-strength alloy conductors for more challenging applications. We'll work within voltage ratings and electrical tolerances and even environmental parameters. Are you worried about flexibility? We'll help you choose the conductor size and stranding length that will give you the flexibility you need. Next, we'll tailor the insulation and jacketing materials based on what the cable's job will be and the conditions it'll need to survive while it does that job.
I was part of a design team that created a cable to test the faults in the dams over in Iraq. And so the cable had to be durable for laying around in the sand, being run over by military vehicles, but also withstand extreme temperatures.
Will your cable need extra physical protection? Add metal armor to protect it from abrasion, cut-through, or crushing. If signal interference is an issue, you can add shielding to minimize the crosstalk. Choose from foil, spiral, braid, and combination shields. Do you need your cable to meet UL, CSA, CE, or even mil-spec standards? We'll design your custom cable to comply with those specifications.
The piece of cable would actually lead from the soldier's helmet down to a pack on his belt, and it would actually allow them to see in infrared if there was any improvised explosive devices and buried and stuff like that. They'd be able to see it would detect heat in the ground and stuff. So that was a really cool cable to build. You're saying this is a cable that's actually contributing to saving lives.
Saving lives, yeah.
Yet it was very challenging because it had to be very small, obviously to be and lightweight to be.
Huge cable.
To be honest, you couldn't have a gigantic cable. So that was a very challenging engineering job for us. But again, we got it finished and it worked out great. And soldiers in the field are now wearing Allied Wire and Cable, so that's kind of cool.
Personalize the look of the cable from jacket color to printing. We match custom colors and can print letters, numbers, or even your company's logo to make branding and identification simple. Take advantage of our additional services, including striping, twisting, braiding, cut and strip, special labeling, and more to get the cable you need exactly the way you need it. With quick turnaround times and low order minimums, we can help you out of a jam. We also offer prototype runs with small minimum length requirements, and we can supply small or large quantities from a few hundred to a few million feet.
Depending on how complicated the customer or the custom cable is, it could be anywhere from 2 weeks to typically 4 weeks at the most that we can turn it around. 1,000-foot min, sometimes even a 500-foot min. So don't be scared that you have to buy 5,000 or 10,000 feet. We can turn around a small quantity in a quick lead time.
Visit the custom cable section of our website, www.awcwire.com, and fill out the easy-to-use design sheet. Remember, when an off-the-shelf item just won't do, you can count on the custom cable design experts at Allied Wire and Cable.